New York Kids Bake Off. And today we're going to be baking our own cookies, raisin and chocolate. Get a cup of butter. Make sure to get your butter soft. And 1 cup of brown sugar. Now pour it in. Wait, will this? No, you don't have to do it. Now just pour it in.
Just dump it in.
Just dump it in. All of it. Wait. And a cup of white sugar too. Use your mixer and mix it up. Do it again?
Yeah.
And now it's egg time. Okay, so we're gonna get our first. Crack it inside the bowl. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. My mom's gonna do it so I don't get messy. Okay, let's go.
Well, that didn't work.
Now for the secret ingredient, a tiny bit of maple syrup. Now you need 1 cup of flour and a half.
1.5 cup.
Whoa. Okay. It turned out a white poo. Your baking soda. Pour it. Oh. That's all. Okay. 1 teaspoon salt.
Or just guess. More. Raise your hand if you like salt.
And a few shakes of cinnamon. I think that's good. A splash of nutmeg. And now mix it. Now get a grown-up to mix them both together. Whoa! Oh, big ghost poo. So we're mixing it here.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Move your finger on the camera.
3 cups of what? Whoa, that's like a big mountain. Now decide what to put in your cookies. I like raisins and I like chocolate chips.
So how are we going to do both?
Oh no! We're going to make 2 for his family and some for mine. 1 cup of raisins in this blue bowl. In this blue bowl. Whoa.
Don't eat all the raisins before you're done cooking.
Add your chocolate chips. I don't want to smell that. Fill your dough for 30 minutes.
Yes, not a question. Put it in.
I'll put it here.
Perfect.
Okay, that's a good place. Roll your dough into a ball and put them on your cookie sheet. Bake them for 12 minutes. Cookies are done.
Okay, what do you think? All right. Thank you for watching our cooking show.
And subscribe to see more of our videos.